So I finished all the insulating and went for coffee. Well, this is 2 days later. It was really good coffee too. Good morning. Guess what? We're at it again. It's a rainy, snowy. It's turning into snow outside, but it was raining before. So, can't work outside. Not that I have much outside. So, we're going to work inside. There's no Deb, there's no Raven, just me. So, I'm going to build these windows out. And I had bought some trim the other day. So, going to go and measure it all up and come back in and start putting it in. The reason I'm doing this right away here, because Deb and Danica want to start putting Christmas decorations up. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's get at it. We've measured them and I've run them through the table saw. So now we're going to start. We'll put one in and we'll go from there. Just like that. Now I'm going to have to take our curtains down. Well, I gotta get my knife. I gotta trim some foam out of there, and then I'll put that one up. And then look at that. Need to bring my square in to make sure she's all squared. And then start jamming her full of insulation and stuff. The next thing would be putting trim around it. Ooh. Anyways, I'm going to put this last one on. There. Just that easy, folks. Should have done this a while ago, but I'm too busy doing other things. What? Ooh, doesn't that look marvelous?
Another work of art.
Another work of art. Now, cut, rip, repeat. Cut, rip, repeat. Yeah, so. Okay, I won't bore you with some of the other stuff, but I'll maybe show you putting some insulation in there, jamming it in and whatnot. But well, here we go. Bad weather's coming. There's the white stuff. Yeehaw. Here we go. Window number 2. Gotta trim some stuff here. Thought I had it trimmed before. No. That's why I didn't have this side. case you're wondering why I'm fighting with this, there's a little channel right here. See, this can hold 3/4 inch, but they put these in so I can use 1/2 inch. So you could have actually used drywall and put it around like that, but I'm using pine boards that are primed. So yeah, so there's another one, and I gotta trim some more styrofoam up there where I got too eager. Or was that Deb that got too eager? So, a little wet from being outside in the rain and snow. But I'll see if I can get this in without a ladder. There. Just like that. Now, who needs a hammer? You know, got a fist. Ouch. Maybe I need a hammer. There. So even though I was at the lumber yard yesterday and I looked at spray foam, I thought, no, I don't need it for a while. I'm going to run to the store and get some spray foam insulation in here instead of the rock wool or fiberglass. It'll be way quicker and I'll have more time to have coffee. So I'll go get that right now. So I decided I would build these windows out, and then so there's one on this end, one at the other, and then spray foam them all at once. I won't make you watch and be bored out of your mind, but yeah, I'll get these 2 windows done, and then we can spray foam all of them at one time. So I've got my great stuff foam. And I've marked them all where it's square, so I can see. There's little marks in here.
Okay.
I'll have to put, when I'm done, I'll put some paintable silicone there, and then that's my casing after that. So we'll watch a little bit of this, and then I won't bore you.
I'm watching the snow behind you.
Which is more interesting, me or the snow?
I had it turned off so I couldn't see what you're doing. I think the snow's more interesting.
Probably.
Well, I'm going to leave you to that.
Okay.
We'll come back later when you're doing something else.
Something a little more interesting.
Yeah.
Well, I'm back. I finished all the insulating and went for coffee. Well, this is 2 days later. It was really good coffee too. So now I've cut the trim, and I just got to get all my air compressor and everything all hooked up and put it on. And I found some, I said it was going to be easier with the foam in here. Well, I didn't really pay attention because I was too busy drinking coffee, but it pushed my board out, so I had a trim in here to get it everything square, but I made it right. So now we're going to put this all on. This is going to be really noisy, so I'm going to put this on and then I'll come back and show you.
Not that bad.
One done. So there's still some touching up. I one shot here, one shot there. I got a little too close in it, so I gotta pull that nail through. So you don't bang them back, you pull them through. So I gotta do that, and then I like to put just a little bead of paintable silicone in here because these are primed. They're not painted, so they're primed.
And then all the little
And
nail marks.
all the little nail marks here. Maybe I should tell you too, I had to use 1 3/4 brad nails, and here I'll show you the difference. So the bigger ones I use for the outside, and the little guys I use for the inside, because if you have too long of a nail and you're pushing it through, you have a tendency to have that happen. So, and I don't want to do it any more than I have to. So that's a method to my madness. So it's taken a little longer than we should have taken doing this. It started out when I was doing it a little bit of rain, and then it turned to snow. So we had 12 inches of snow in a 2-day period. So yeah, out the window there is a little winter wonderland.
Beautiful.
And then, so today and tomorrow, part of tomorrow is supposed to be nice, and then it's supposed to start snowing again for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we might be hibernating. Who knows?
Perfect time to do Christmas decorating.
And drink lots of coffee. So this will probably be the last of this video.
Maybe we'll do a video after everything's decorated.
Yeah, once we have all the trim on, and we can put the decorations all up, and then we'll do a little video of what it looks like in here then. So bye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.